Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here with Dan Reutter from U-POL. Today's video is the second of a two-part series which covers U-POL's premium line of Dolphin glazes and putties. Dan, thanks for being here. Tell me a little bit about these products.
Thanks, Jason. Glad to be here. U-POL offers a comprehensive line of fillers, putties, and glazes that offer both quality and performance. These products utilize the latest advancements in resin technology to give perfect results every single time. Today I'd like to focus on our new UP0654 Dolphin Speed Glaze. Dolphin Speed Glaze is designed with the auto body repair technician in mind. Its semi-flexible formula dries and powders fast, which translates into reduced cycle times and extra profits. It is also our softest sanding glaze, and it features an advanced lightweight formulation which is ideal for repairing small scratches, minor dents, chips, and surface imperfections. And even though it's pourable, Dolphin Speed Glaze still hangs well on a vertical surface.
I see. That sounds really beneficial for the technician.
It really is. Dolphin Speed Glaze can also be applied directly to metal, galvanized, properly abraded e-coat, fiberglass, and most plastics. And for the ultimate in fast cycle times, we recommend using Dolphin Speed Glaze in combination with U-POL's Rapid System Primer, which will be covered in another series.
All right, are you ready to get started?
Let's do it. First, I'll clean and degrease the surface with wipe 6 to remove any dirt, oil, grease, or other contaminants. Then I'll sand off the surface with 180 grit sandpaper. Next, I'll blow off the sanding dust. Then I'll re-clean the surface with wipe 6. Now I'm ready to activate our Dolphin Speed Glaze. I'll pour the Dolphin Speed Glaze onto an onion board and add 2% hardener. Then I'll mix the glaze in a figure 8 pattern to ensure the material is properly mixed. Next, I'll apply Dolphin Speed Glaze to the surface. Once the material is dried, I'll finish sand with 320 grit sandpaper, and then I'll blow off the sanding dust. For the ultimate in cycle time reduction, we recommend application of our Rapid System Primer in the next step of your repair process. This combined demonstration of Dolphin Speed Glaze and Rapid System Primer will be featured in another segment.
Dan, Dolphin Speed Glaze seems like a really, truly useful product that will help reduce cycle time.
It really is, Jason.
Thanks again for being here today. Dan, can you tell us where people can find more information about Dolphin Speed Glaze?
Sure. Thanks for having me today, Jason. For more information about U-POL's Dolphin Speed Glaze, please visit u-pol.com.
Great, Dan. Thank you. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.